Guys, the Blizzard pack is out in Blooket. I mean, it came a few days ago, and I know I'm recording this kind of late from when it came, but just telling you it's out, and luckily I got every single thing in the pack. And if you've never seen the Blizzard pack before, you can see all the books that's there, and I'm showing you since I got all the books, and I think there's some way I can see the rarities. Yeah, the pack rates, you can see every single rarity of all the books in the pack. And it seems like Cozy Baby Penguin is the rarest. I got everything in this list I got every single thing in this list except the Holiday Elf and the Cozy Baby Penguin, which I think those are chromas, but I'm not sure.